back. This is Adventures with Dr. Joe. When you have a really nice grinder, you want something to put it on. You can either bolt it to a bench or you can have it freestanding, but then it should be on some sort of a pedestal or a stand. This is a heavy-duty bench grinder pedestal stand. Cast iron, remember, weight mass is important to minimize vibration, and it was on sale at Harbor Freight, $35. Let's open it up and take a look. It's really heavy. So this is the heavy-duty bench grinder pedestal by Central Machinery. Comes well packaged. And each one of these parts are really heavy-duty. This pipe is not cast iron, but all the other parts are. So we'll quick open these up and take a look. This is the base. This is indeed cast iron, very heavy duty, and has the two areas for the screws to hold the base in place. And this should be the table. Yep. Cast iron table. And a cast iron holder for the water basin. Even that's cast iron. And then here's the hardware for it. These are all 16 millimeter screws. And these holes are threaded. And nice to have three, because then you can put a level on this and make this perfectly plumb. This table is level. Now we'll just tighten these down. Yep. Next part is for the watering tray. And this could be put anywhere you want. We'll just select a random spot such as this. And then we'll tighten this down. And there it goes. And finally, the table, which is secured with only one bolt. So, $35, this is a great pedestal stand. Let's put it on the ground, and we'll set the grinder on it. So here's the new grinder I got, the Hercules 0.9 horsepower 5 amp variable speed grinder. It has 4 mounting holes, but guess what? None of them line up with this base. That makes me actually very disappointed. There may be some drilling in the future, because I'd like the grinder centered on the stand, and when I do that, none of the holes line up. So anyway, I like the stand, I like the weight, I like the mass. It's simple, it's heavy duty. You can bolt it to the floor, which I'm going to do. That's going to make it additionally secure. And it was super easy to assemble. So thank you for watching this video. Disappointing that doesn't really line up perfectly for the bolt holes, but such is life. Again, Adventures with Dr. Joe. Please click subscribe. Please click like, and you can hit that bell if you want to be notified of new videos. And as always, please stay safe. Thank you.